It's 2025 and video creation has completely changed. Now you can create any kind of video you want in just a single click. You don't need expensive cameras or editing skills anymore. All you need to have is a creative idea. Hi, I'm Jill from GravityWrite and we are going to create different kinds of video today like text to video, product ads, virtual try-ons and even UGC style clips, all by using AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create our videos, we are going to use a tool from GravityWrite called AI Video Generator. So let's just go to gravitywrite.com. In the sidebar, click on AI Video Generator. With this tool, you will be able to create 5 different types of videos. Let's start with the first feature, that is text to video. Here, you just have to type your idea and the tool will automatically convert it into a complete video. Go to content type and make sure that the text to video option is selected. Then just type an idea. Select the video duration and the aspect ratio. Choose the voiceover style you like.
In springtime, the garden comes alive with...
And click on generate video. In a few minutes, our video is ready.
Grow your business on social media. Here are 3 quick tips that actually work. Struggling with slow results on social media? Let's fix that with these simple strategies.
You can see it has created the script on our topic, generated the matching visuals, background music, and even the AI voiceover. Pretty amazing, right? So in just few minutes, our idea got converted into a video which is ready to be posted. Next, let's move on to another video type, which is 360-degree product video. If you have an e-commerce brand or sell physical products online, this one is going to be your favorite. This tool lets you create a 360-degree rotating video of your product, giving your customers a complete view from every angle. And the best part is, you don't even need studio or fancy equipment to shoot it. Let's see how it works. Go to content type and select image to 360-degree product video. Here, simply upload your product image and click on generate video. In just a few seconds, you get a high quality rotating product video. It's perfect for websites, ad campaigns and social media posts. Now this next kind of video is a total game changer for fashion brands. It's virtual try-on video. Imagine showing your product, like a shirt, directly on a model without having to do a real shoot. Yes, it's possible and easy to create. All you need to do is select image to virtual try-on video as content type. Select the aspect ratio. Then just upload your product image here and click on generate video. In a few minutes, GravityWrite will create a realistic video showing your product being worn by the model. Now, just use this video to promote on your social handles without having to spend on shooting. The next kind of video that we are going to create will help you create ads that look cinematic. It adds visual effects, transitions and dynamic camera motions that make your ad look professional. For this, just select image to VFX ad video and content type, then upload your product image. Select the video duration. You can also give additional direction for video generation in the prompt box. Choose the aspect ratio and click on generate video. Within minutes, you will get a professional looking ad video. Now at last, we have UGC ads. UGC means user-generated content. You might have seen them on Instagram. These are real people talking about products in a natural and relatable way. You can create this kind of videos with this tool. All you need to do is select the content type as image to UGC ad video. Drop your product image. Select the aspect ratio. If you want, you can give character and background description as well. At last, select the number of scenes you want and click on generate video. In minutes, it creates a realistic UGC ad for your product.
You won't believe it, these body mists kept me fresh the whole day. Like seriously, all day. Honestly, I've never felt this fresh after a full day out. Now, definitely a new fave.
As you can see, the ad is complete. with human face, voiceover, natural gestures, and your product visuals. Now you can use them on Instagram, Meta Ads, or TikTok. This is how you can create any kind of videos using GravityWrite's video generator tool. So go ahead, try it out and start creating videos effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to GravityWrite for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.